Oh, g'day guys, up to a very nice yet cold Saturday morning in New Zealand. Coming to you on potato camera because I'm a dumbass and left my main camera at home. So, down at the shop today, putting this back together, and I should have taken more video, but basically the rundown. I ended up getting a brand new starter motor because the old one was completely fucked. All the bearings were shot, and plunger was okay, but badass. Yeah, plunger was okay. What else? Oh, yeah, the main thing. One of the field windings was starting to flap around a little bit, so that starter motor was on borrowed time regardless. So did the right thing and just bought a brand new one. Didn't film any of the reassembly because, well, that's really just putting shit back together. I will say, if you're going to do this job yourself, for God's sakes, get yourself ratchet spanners. They make the job so much easier, especially when you're doing it up, because you cannot get your fingers in there. Okay, but basically today's goal, getting it running. The manifold's on, the gaskets aren't actually that mangled. We'll soon find out if they do leak. Got the Sparky coming back over to fix the wiring to this plug here. Yeah. Focus, you fuck. Either way, those two wires there are meant to go in there. They do not, because I was a rough cut. And I don't know if you can see that, but that plug there, oh, there we go. That one wire that's darting off to the right there, that's coming out as well, so that needs to be repaired. Basically today's goal, get it running, get everything plugged back in, fill it back up full of fluids, and then pray that my knock sensors actually work. What else? We had a whole pile of cool parts turn up during the week. Spark plug, which I should actually be doing. The brake pads, which don't actually need because I've got more rotors coming. Oil, more plugs, fuel filter. That lives in the tank. I don't actually know where the tank is. Timing kit, I will do that when I buy a new radiator. So when I pull the radiator out, I'll have more room to work. Oil change, trans fluid change, trans filter, gasket. I got 2 hubs, there's another one there, 2 rear hubs, and there is slotted and drilled rear rotors and pads. What else have I got? Knock sensors are in, obviously. No, not there. I got 4 oxygen sensors. Yeah, one's an odd brand. There's one there, one there, and there. And they're just Bosch universals. That one's supposed to plug in because Repco was shit. We couldn't actually find any. And these bad boys, line lockers. I've got 2 of those. Probably only need 1, but it all depends on how we plumb them in. Got kind of sticky shit to go on as well once I've fixed the windows, which I've also got back from the window tinters. So yeah, It's a big window. It's also bloody thick because they are laminated glass. And that's not, but that's okay. We'll replace that. And yes, the window's still in that, it's just rolled down. It didn't actually break the inner glass, which is brilliant. At least not completely. So yeah. Better get these out actually. Nice new iridium spark plugs. Oh. Focus, you fuck. There we go. And yeah, we will fix that abortion as well. Alright, let's get into it. Yeah, click. Handy little trick, especially when you're in a tight to reach place and you've got uni joints, tape them up. Tape up your universal joints. Scotty showed me that actually. Tape up your uni.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Did you not know that?
Alright, so we're close to getting her button back up. Just doing the plugs on it now. Yeah. Focus, you fuck. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, can't really see that very well. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. They've definitely been in there a while, but they're not too worn. They're still good. I mean, I'm going to keep using those until they flog out. And yes, I sound like shit because I'm fighting a cold. Yo! Check in the toolbox up there. There should be a green one up top. So yeah, nearly ready to go. Alright. It's all buttoned up. It's not tight or anything, but as far as I know, as far as I can tell, everything's plugged in. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm not sure what. No sensors on there. Let's quickly check over here. Just Evo bits. Yeah. Alright. Son of a bitch. Alright. I don't see any fuel pissing out of there yet. Alright, contact. Massive air leak, straight out of there. Because that hose is flogged. Yeah. That's just splitting more and more and more. Oh goody. Alright. Let's fix that. Okay. She's a bit sketchy, but it should do. Let's give that another go. Oh. And contact. high. Well, I should probably address that some more, but it runs. Don't you love it when it runs the first time? No codes. Not yet anyway. I did have a VSC code. That came up as soon as you moved. So hopefully that's cleared itself. Alright, let's fix that leak some more. This is good. It lives. Oh shit. I don't care what you say about revving it while it's still warming up. I don't have mechanical sympathy, so it's pretty much almost up to temperature, and we still don't have a code relating to knock sensors. Oh, you can see that. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of fucking steam coming up from under the manifold there. I think that's just residual coolant being evaporated off, because I did spill a bit down there. Okay, I'm getting a call. Well, now that that's running, I'll get her up to temperature and I'll do an oil change on it, and I'll see what else we can do in the time that we have. It's only 1:15 now. I'll be here for another few hours and I'll call that a day. So change the oil. Well, let's get everything tightened up and put bolts where they're supposed to go and all that shit, and we'll go from there. But at the moment, oh, need a bit of limiter action. Move these Japanese fucking V8 machines to the sky. Love it. It loves it. The NOx sensors don't love it, but it loves it. Alright. It's up to temperature. No codes. That's fucking great. I'm stoked. Best result I could hope for. There's not much steam coming out from... I don't see any steam coming out from under the manifold, so my gaskets are clearly holding. They are brand new. It's idling mint. It's up to temperature. It's holding. It's fucking happy, and I'm happy. This is great. Like I said, best possible result. Okay, let's get this thing in the air. All right. Oh Jesus. Alright, so we're under the car here. Thank God I'm doing the transmission gasket at some stage, because that's leaking. That's not ideal. But I am doing my oxygen sensors. At the very least, I'm doing the rear two, because they're piss easy to get to. I'm just putting Bosch universals in there. That's, oh Jesus, did I have my, I don't know. Yeah, Bosch universals are going in there. The front, the pre-cats up in there, that looks like fun to get out. I've done worse. My old 2.5 Mondeo was a bit of a shocker. And there's the other one up there. And there's the wiring, there's the plug for it there. Now I've got a direct replacement for that. That should plug in, otherwise I'm screwed. The wiring for that comes up and terminates there, and hey presto, it's covered in fucking oil. Yummy. So I really should have bought a direct replacement for that, but I've only got a universal for that one, so somehow I'm gonna have to get pliers and shit in here. What the fuck's going on with that? I can't see shit. I don't know. We'll sort it out. So yeah. Oh shit. We will get into it. Alright, I'm gonna call that for the day. I've put the 2 rear oxygen sensors in, had to plug them up and everything because there was no actual plug, but they were universals anyway, so that was always going to happen. Filled full of oil, 5 litres of oil, new filter. Look at the classic old sticker they give you, the right filters. Now, can't see shit. Next service due after the next big skid. So yeah, my battery clamp is all legit now, no tape acting as a spacer. Yeah, we're going to continue on with this tomorrow, I think. I'd say so. I've got to pick up the mother-in-law tomorrow, and well, that's about it really. So yeah, I'll probably come down here in the afternoon. Maybe attack those front 2 sensors. I haven't decided yet. So yeah, that's part 2 done, I suppose. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, give us a subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You don't have to, don't give a shit. Doesn't affect me either way. It's just for YouTube's bullshit algorithm, and that would be my video demonetized right now, so yeah. But hey, that's okay, I don't give a shit. I've got my car back. That's the main thing. It runs. And runs, hopefully, a hell of a lot better. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.